Hello TV fam. The following day na and nandito na naman tayo sa panibagong food trip. Nandito tayo sa Elaya by Sima. Nandito pa rin tayo sa Tagaytay. Yeah. Good afternoon. Ooh. Parang hidden gem effect ka. Kasi nasa loob siya tapos maganda sa loob. Okay guys, nakapag-check out na nga tayo and before pa kaming makauwi talaga ng tuluyan, gusto ko kayong i-update kung magkano ba talaga yung binayaran for an overnight stay doon sa villa na nirentahan natin here in Tagaytay. So, ang charge niya per night is 23,000 for a party of 15 people. Tumataas daw din yung rate na yan pagka mas lalong dumadami yung tao. So again, 15 kami and the fee was 23,000 for an overnight stay. The check-in time is at 3 p.m. Check-out time is at 12 noon. If in case gusto nyo mag-request ng mas maagang check-in, meron silang fee na charge which is 1,000 pesos for every hour na mas maaga kang mag-check-in. So let's say kung gusto mag-check-in ng 12 noon, that will be additional 3,000 pesos. And inside, nakita nyo naman yung amenities nila. Sobrang maganda. May mga arcade, may basketball court, may pool, may foosball, and then meron pang karaoke and so on and so forth. The only, I think, downside is since di ba nga nasa Tagaytay tayo, it's the pool is heated pero hindi siya automatically heated for the guest. So, ang sabi nila is if you want the pool to be heated, you would need to pay 2,000 pesos on top of your overnight fee para ma-turn on nila yung heater ng pool. The good thing there is I think yung previous na guest nila, they paid for heating. And so medyo warm pa yung tubig which we try to enjoy, no? So nag-swimming talaga kagad kami. And then the following day, yun nga, medyo malamig na yung tubig and so wala na sa amin nag-swim. Overall, the experience was good. The design and yung ambience ng mga villas was very pleasing naman. And everyone enjoyed pati yung mga communal space. Kasi yun yung importante pa nag-outing kayo, yung communal space. Wherein may enough space for everyone to either sit down, magkwentuhan, mag-enjoy. Meron pa nga dun silang sinasabi na we can actually maximize the white wall doon to do some movie nights, no? Kasi pwede daw pala mag-project, but we opted not to do that. More on kwentuhan na lang with our family members doon sa loob ng mismong main villa. Nabigyan sana namin kayo ng idea as to yung mga places na pwede nyong rentahan here in Tagaytay, and hopefully Nordic Villa, Infinity Villas could be an option that you may want to consider. We are not promoting it, but we're just sharing our personal experience sa pag-avail or pagrenta nung place na yun.
Hi guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Bench Fix Salon sa Alabang Town Center para sa haircut day ng mga boys. Hi ka! Hi! Tatlo sila sabay-sabay. Na-shampoohan na rin sila.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! I'm hungry! Let's quit!
Pa, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Where you? Wow. Okay. Sige po, ma. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye, Philippines. Time to go back to reality. Punta na tayong Vancouver. Hi guys. After 11 hours, makikita nyo naman dito sa background natin, no, nakauwi na tayo. And ito nga, nag-unload na yung mga bagahe natin. Hi Clark. How was the flight? Did you sleep well?
Yeah.
Yeah. So si Cal nanligo na and next na si Clark. And then mag-unbox na tayo ng mga ating bit-bit na goodies. At saka, yeah, whatever what we bought doon sa trip natin. Sobrang nakapanibago lang kasi can't believe na nandito na tayo ulit. Ayan pa si yung aquarium mga natin, no? Pakita ko sa inyo, ha? After 3 weeks, ang laki ng binaba ng tubig. From here down to here. So, ito top up natin yan. Yeah, it's alive. Well, yung Java moss ko nakalbo. Ayan, hindi siya nag-flourish. Siguro tanggalin ko muna to, lipat ko sa ibang lugar. But my plants here, yeah, it thrived. Ito, babawasan ko yung floating plants ko dito kasi medyo natabunan na. Mag-unpack muna tayo. Nakapag-umpisa na nga tayo ng first run natin ng laundry.
How I love the city of mine. It never gets me down, city of mine. How I love the city